Right, what's up YouTube? First video from APFabrication. I told everybody I'd have a video of the plasma table first night after I got it here and leveled it. Here it is. It's a 4x8 CNC plasma table by LDR Motion Systems in New York. X, Y, and Z axis. There is an add-on rotary tube cutter that will sit here eventually when I get around to it. Here's the machine, very crudely plugged in just to check that it would work, but work it does. If you can see that. Just the diagnostics on the table. But there you have it. Got some of it set up over here. It's got the water bladder or air bladder system for the water table, which is pretty cool. Obviously, I need a hose clamp there. Here comes the water. I don't know how loud that hissing noise is going to be in the video. It might be terrible. Not sure. One valve air pressure raises the water level up. You can hear the leak. Now I had that side open. You see how quickly it raises up with both valves, or with the exhaust valve closed. Easy to adjust the water height on the table, so if you're cutting AR 500 or some other steel that you want to minimize the haz on, you can raise the water level all the way up to and submerge the plate if need be. The other two valves down there for the air scribe, which is located here. That will come down and scribe part numbers and maybe do a little bit of engraving. That torch is the Duramax torch by Hypertherm. This is temporarily set up with the cable overhead with a bungee. I mounted the Hypertherm on the wall. Next up is clean up some of this cabling, put the computer system in a cabinet over here, and power up the Hypertherm, and we'll be cutting. So for the first video, we're all done. Let the air out of the bladder and the water just goes right back down under the table. Very cool for picking up parts that have dropped down through the slats. It takes about 30 seconds is what I've seen for the water to drain all the way out, but it's much better than having to adjust the water level with a hose and a drain. So pretty happy. I'm going to park this thing and call it a night. So thanks for watching, and I'll have another video out shortly.